LG dryer, how to clean the lint filters. Most LG dryers contain two filters. It is advised to clean the inner filter after each dry cycle. The outer filter needs to be cleaned after about 10 cycles. To optimize the lint removal, you may use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush. While the filters may look clean when you have removed the lint, they may still be contaminated, which is well visible when held against the light source. Especially in case a lot of softener is used, it may become hard to look through the filter. Clean the insides of the filter under a running tap of lukewarm water. If needed, use a soft toothbrush. Leave the filters to dry. When reinserting the filters, make sure they fit. Also make sure that the magnet is still present in the inner filter. Otherwise, the dryer will not recognize the filters and the program cannot be started.